At number 1, we have the Seesii Mini Chainsaw Cordless, 8-in and 6-in electric. It's the most versatile and powerful compact cutting tool, balancing incredible power with ultimate portability. With both 6-inch and 8-inch guide bars, it adapts to any job from small branches to thick logs. Plus, with 2 high-capacity batteries, you can work all day without interruption. Maintenance is a breeze with the automatic oiling system and tool-free chain adjustment. Seesii Mini Chainsaw is the powerful, lightweight, and safe choice for every homeowner.
At number 2, we have the Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch electric chainsaw with 2 batteries. Don't let its size fool you. This little beast has a 6,500 RPM motor delivering fast and smooth cuts every time. And with 2 high-capacity batteries, you get up to 80 minutes of non-stop cutting power. That's serious productivity. From pruning branches in the garden to preparing firewood and DIY projects, it handles it all with ease. Maintenance is a breeze too. The tool-free chain tension system lets you get back to work in seconds. Plus, the automatic lubrication system ensures your chain stays smooth and protected for longer life. The Suncher Mini Chainsaw is the ultimate affordable, portable, and powerful cutting solution for any homeowner.
At number 3, we have the Greenworks 24V 6-inch Mini Chainsaw Cordless Handheld. This premium tool combines cordless freedom with a powerful brushless motor for smoother, more efficient cuts. Weighing just 4 pounds, it offers excellent maneuverability and reduced fatigue, perfect for any user. Plus, its battery works with over 125 Greenworks power tools, making it an excellent investment. Safety features like a security lock and toolless adjustments. It's dependable, durable, and user-friendly.
At number 4, we have the CRAFTSMAN V20 Mini Cordless Chainsaw Pruning Saw 6-inch. This compact powerhouse delivers strong cutting performance, easily handling branches up to 4 inches thick for all your yard maintenance needs. It's designed to be 50% more compact and 14% lighter, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The integrated tip guard improves control and helps reduce accidental kickback, keeping you safer. Plus, the bolt lock chain tensioning system ensures secure, reliable performance throughout every cut. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Mini Chainsaw comes with everything you need: the tool, a lithium-ion battery, and a fast charger. A solid, reliable choice for homeowners who want a portable pruning tool they can trust. Get yours today.
At number 5, we have the CEEPUY Mini Chainsaw, the lightweight yet powerful tool designed for all your home and garden needs. At its core is an upgraded 800W pure copper motor, delivering the torque and efficiency you need for the job. This translates to a blistering 28.6 feet per second chain speed, cutting through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds. Perfect for tree pruning, firewood cutting, and home improvement. Its cordless design gives you total freedom to move anywhere. The slim, lightweight design and comfortable grip make it perfect for everyone, from beginners to seniors. With an automatic oiling system for smooth cuts and a battery that lasts 30-40 minutes, the work keeps going. Plus, it comes with a full safety kit, including goggles and gloves, all neatly packed in a carrying case. CEEPUY Mini Chainsaw. Power, portability, and peace of mind, all in one compact package.